So guys, time check, it's 7 a.m. in the morning. Ito na ang aming service. So it's a private tour guys.
I can take video.
Nice. Ayan guys, yan. Yan ang Burana Tower. So guys, tignan nyo. Ayan ang Burana Tower. Me too. Hi guys, good morning. So, andito tayo ngayon sa Kyrgyzstan. So, ito yung aming day 2 dito sa Kyrgyzstan. So, ito yung simula ng aming tour na inabil dito. So, 2 days siya. So, ipaliwanag ko na lang sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung mga kaganapan, kung ano yung mga kung ano yung mga location na aming pupuntahan. So, right now, ito ang ating get up. So, mag-overnight kami roon. So, mag-yurt kami. O yung tent nila roon. Kung tawagan ay yurt. So, dito lang ako naka-stay dito sa apartment na to. Yan, sa apartment na yan. Yan, dyan. Yan na oh. Malapit lang to sa police station. Ayun oh, police station. Yan, police station yan. Yan. So, andito lang kami. So, yun guys. Keep on watching guys. So guys, andito namin sa meet up place ng aming tour. So, ang call time namin ay 7 AM. So, let's see kung ano let's see kung sino ang makakasabay natin sa tour nito. So, sumama lang naman ako sa tour dito. Dito sa aking kapatid ng aking office mate. So, plan niya ito. So, sumama na lang talaga ako. Gusto ko ma-experience yung Central Asia. So, hindi ko talaga siya sariling itinerary. So, nakijoin lang ako. So, yun guys. Ito tayo. Yan. Yan guys. Yan, dito kami magmi-meet up. So guys, time check, it's 7 AM in the morning. So andito kami pa rin sa meet up place. So merong kasama kami rito na merong isa 1 day tour, isa naman ay 2 days. So doon kami sa 2 days. So yan guys, ito yung meet up place namin dito. Yan, ganda. Ayan, may park doon sa likuran ko. And then itong establishment, I think this is a train station. Yan. Ito na ang aming service. So it's a private tour guys. So hindi pala namin kasama yung mga nakita namin. So it's a private tour guys. So ito na tayo.
Oh, okay.
No, just a newbie.
Okay,
Newbie.
that's good.
Okay, thank you.
Kenyan, where we need to walk about 3 hours in total, about 2.5.
Guys, on our way to Burana Tower.
I can take video.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Do you know why
yet. If today was rainy, a little bit on a high altitude, near to the mountain sides, you can see snow. This man is from Kazakhstan.
Is this the same way when we go back to the city?
Yeah, we'll go back.
So guys, malapit na tayo sa Borana Tower. Ayun, natatanaw ko na yung Borana Tower. Ayun doon. Ayun guys, yan. Yan ang Borana Tower. So dyan tayo ang pupunta, ang ating first stop para sa tour na ito ng Budget Nomad Tours dito sa Kyrgyzstan. So guys, nakarating na tayo dito sa Borana Tower. So yun yung Borana Tower. Yan. So dumating tayo dito ng 9:58 in the morning. So let's go guys. Pasok tayo dito. Puntahan natin ang Borana Tower. So ito yung aming first stop dito sa aming 2-day tour dito sa Budget Nomad Tours sa Kyrgyzstan. So yun guys. So meron siyang streams dito. Ayan. Yan. May streams siya. And then ito na yung Borana Tower. Guys, tara. So guys, tara, puntahan natin tong Borana Tower. So ito yung aming first stop dito sa aming 2-day tour dito sa Kyrgyzstan. So yung tour company na pinagkunan namin ay ang Budget Nomad Tours ng dito sa Kyrgyzstan. So guys, tingnan nyo. Ayan ang Borana Tower. Ayan, yun ang aming tour guide tsaka yung aking kasamahan. So yun guys, tara. So guys, yan tower na yan, it was built during the 11th century. So nag-act siya as a watchtower and also a landscape sa mga caravan during the Silk Road. Yan. Ang ganda guys, oh, tingnan mo oh. May mga mountains, you know. Ayan oh.
Egypt side. So it was a very big road, which the people they can do some like a trading. So it was a mix from China to the Osh city, and from Osh city to Samarkand, Bukhara, Hiva, and to Turkey side and to the Egypt side. So it was the main road, but there was also another like a secondary road, and now we are in one of the secondary roads. So from here, many years ago, about in 9th century, people from here they did some trading. Like most of them it was like a cotton, it was a silk. After silk, it's like a money, it's like a barter system. That's why the people they did some kind of trading. So it was a sold until 4th century. It was a wheaten until 6th century, and after 6th until 8th, 9th century, we start to use some coins. Only then. Before that, it was just only like a barter system. So the people from here, it was a big city. Like from this territory, you can see that all around this place, it's a hill, like a small hills. It should be like walls. Walls, yeah, like a big walls which is made from the clay, and it was like a territory of the city. So yeah, many people, like the nomad people, they try to come here to do some trading, to take something, looking for like a metal or something, or some coins, some silk for clothing, and etc. So it was like a main place. Why it was located exactly here? Because of the weather here is very good, and also mountains are very near where you can find some food. Water is very good here, and it was little more flat place, because from here to the China side only with the mountain side, and not too much people will come to the inside the mountain to do some barter system. It should located on a little like a flat place, so it was exactly here. And the main people who go from here to the other places, it was China, Siberia, and to Samarkand, to other sides. Yeah, so you can see it was like a place the people they can come from many places.
I thought it was a kind of.
No, not just like a road which is like paved road or something. No, it's
like a route.
no, it's not a exactly road. It was just like a place that people they go to somewhere. It doesn't matter. Maybe near to the shore, maybe near to the river, maybe near to the mountain sides to find some.
What they need.
Yeah. So it was not road. It was like a how to say it, like a territory for going. So and now you see this minaret. This minaret we call it Burana Tower. In 9th century, there was a Karakhanid people, Karakhanid government. This city was called Balasagun city. So Balasagun city, there was little like a good at with making some what is it called? Like some architectural things. And this one is one of them. This minaret. It's like it has three causes. It's an architectural cause, to see many people from other sides, nomad people. They try to come here to see like this kind of very high tower. In 9th century it was like a Burj Khalifa. Now,
Yeah.
Burj Khalifa in 9th century, you can imagine.
During 9th century, it's like a Burj
Yeah,
Khalifa. Okay.
So it's a first cause, architectural thing. The second cause, it's a religion causes. At that time, the Muslim religion came already here, and the people they go to the top for calling for praying. So on the left side, it should be mosque, but we couldn't keep it. So Imam could go to the top and he could call for praying. It's a second cause, and the third cause is military causes. Military. They can go to the top to see the view, how many people are coming, how many caravans, virus or not, like a predator or a victim, yeah, or not. So warriors are not. So that's why. And the third cause, the second cause about this minaret, why they for calling for praying. Now in mosques, like a mosque which are they building now, they still doing some minarets. That's why on the mosques there's they building minaret for making a call. So it's like a more like a traditional maybe. So yeah, it should be about 46, 47 meters, but in 15th century half is fell. We couldn't keep it, and now it's only about 25 meters. So and also this hill you can see that it was like a big palace of one of the very necessary people, and the other side it was a territory for trading. So on this territory about 2,000 people lived on this territory. So not only here also, and outside the territory also it was. So that's a history. So now we can go to the top. We can see the view, but we need to use the torch because it's very narrow,
Mm-hmm.
and the steps are very steep.
Okay.
So let's try.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. So guys, tara, akit tayo.
Yesterday I've been on a gym.
So akit na tayo ng Burana Tower. Guys. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Ayan. Ayan, let's go.
Can I stay here? How do you think?
I still I start to feel all
Okay,
my legs
it's
on
okay.
my body.
It's okay.
Is it okay? I will wait you here. Okay. It's okay. No, I will do it. I used to.
So guys, tara, pasok tayo. So makitid ang mga steps paakyat. So yan guys, so ganyan katindi, kasliit at ka-steep ng ating dadaanan. Ayan guys, halos hindi nakita. Aray ko. So guys, yan tayo galing kanina na kumakita. So ngayon may pababa. So ngayon guys, andito na tayo sa top ng Burana Tower. Ayan guys. So ito yung pinaka-top. Ayan.
Andre.
Wow, see that?
Ayan.
Gel götürürsen ürün gelip geç öne geç.
So yung dito, very steep talaga.
Ayaklarıyla da hadi.
Me too. So guys, ganyan ang pagbaba mamaya. Ayan. Ganyan ang pagbaba mamaya natin. So yun guys, andito na tayo sa mismong pinaka roof deck ng tower. Ayan guys.
We have one legend about this place. There was a one old man who was very, very rich. He had only one daughter. Asked from the psychic people what will happen with my daughter. Can you tell about
there was a on the present there was
So guys, bababa na tayo. So dyan tayo galing guys, dyan. So ngayon bababa na tayo. Let's go! So ayan yung guys, so yung aming inakyatan na Burana Tower. Ayan. Let's go! Ayan. So yan guys, tapos na tayo dito sa Burana Tower. Ayan ang Burana Tower. So dyan tayo umakyat. So pumalik tayo dun sa pinaka rooftop. Ayan. Tapos tingnan nyo ang mountains sa kanyang paligid. Ayan. Ayan. Yan ang mga mountains dito sa paligid niya. Ang gaganda. So yan guys. Daan na tayo dito sa Burana Tower. So let's go to the next stop. So yun guys. So ayan yung Burana Tower. So dyan tayo galing kanina. And then pahinga lang ako. Galing ako dito sa galing ako dyan kanina. So it's a museum. So bawal mag-take ng video dyan. And then sa labas niya merong souvenir shop, ayan. And then ayan yung Bunara Tower, ayan. Ayan ang Bunara Tower. At andun ang mga Alpine Mountains. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan ang Alpine Mountains dito sa Kyrgyzstan. So ayan guys. Ayan. So ayan ang Bunara Tower.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.